Hey everyone, I'm very excited to show you this unboxing video of this new HP laptop. This is the HP Pavilion 14T DV000 model. This is supposed to be a really good laptop based on the review I have read online. So I just wanted to share this with you so you can make an informed decision buying a new laptop. Okay, without further delay, let me start opening this box. Somewhat damaged during the shipping, so we can actually see the laptop, how it looks. And while I'm opening this box, let me take you to the HP website so I can show you some information about the laptop. As you can see, this comes with Windows 10 Home Edition 64-bit processor, and it has 11th generation Intel Core i processor, Intel Iris Xe graphics, 8GB of memory with 256GB of SSD storage, and 14-inch HD display. The price for this configuration starts at $549.99. Okay, let me go down a little. According to HP, this laptop comes with more performance in a smaller profile. This actually comes with micro edge bezels that maximizes your view. This laptop charges very fast and has long battery life. One cool thing about this laptop is it comes with HP Quick Drop software, so you can connect your mobile phone to your laptop without a cable and share any files you have on your phone to the laptop. This is very convenient. Okay, enough with the info, let me show you the actual laptop. Okay, nice packaging. I really like that they are using cardboard so I can actually recycle it. This comes with a 65-watt AC adapter, which is supposed to be a fast charging adapter. And this comes with a separate power cord that you need to plug into your AC adapter. Inside of this bag, there are two pieces of papers. The first one tells you about the warranty and how you can contact HP for support. And the second piece of paper just tells you how to use the laptop, just the basic stuff, like how to turn it on or how to use touchpad. Now is the moment you have been all waiting for. I honestly like this ceramic white laptop, not disappointed at all. Okay, let me show you the bottom of the laptop first. There's a vent at the bottom of the laptop, so the fan inside the laptop can blow the hot air out. So when you are using laptop, do not put this laptop on a pillow or on your lap or somewhere soft can block the vent. This can actually slow down your laptop, even damage your laptop or reduce the life of your laptop. And there are two speakers on both sides of the laptop. These are supposed to be really good according to HP. One side of the laptop has a USB 3.0 port and a combined port for your headphones and microphone. Other side of the laptop also has a USB 3.0 port, full-size HDMI port, and the DC jack for your charging, and has a USB-C port and a slot for your micro SD memory card. The C port has so many different functions. You can use to connect another monitor, you can charge external devices even your computer is off, and you can connect a docking station cable so you can plug in a monitor, keyboard, mouse, anything else you want with just a single cable. And of course, you can plug in a data cable for your phones or other digital devices. The outside of the laptop has ceramic white, but base of the laptop inside has natural silver color. I really like the keyboard. The keys are not raised too high or too flat, perfect for my needs. And also on top of the keyboard has all the function keys and from F1 to F12 keys. And there are some special function keys for your volume, your brightness, etc. Also has a airplane mode button here, which is really convenient, and a power button here. This is very unusual to have a power button inside the keyboard, and this really makes it nice and sleek. This laptop comes with back kit light for a keyboard. I'm going to turn off the lights so I can show you. I'm going to turn on the laptop now. As you can see, the back kit light came on. You can actually change the brightness of the back kit light if you would like. Okay, I'm going to turn on the lights now. I'm going to come up with more videos about this laptop. I'll show you how to configure the laptop for the first time. I'll show you how to configure the laptop for best performance. And I'm going to show you how to clean up the laptop, meaning taking out all the junk that comes with the laptop that you don't need. Bye now. See you next time.